Hey, welcome back. Hope everybody is having a great Thursday, and thank you so much for joining me talking all things Masters of the Universe. Today on the channel, everybody, as you can see, I finally got my latest member of the Turtles of Grayskull line of Wave 5, and part of the now Snake Men line, I guess, crossover event. And that of Rattler. Unfortunately, we'll be looking at the figure only in the packaging only. Look at all those items it comes with, the beautiful artwork it comes with, and have a lot of fun. Of course, once I do get my second version of Rattler from the Snake Man line or the crossover event, I will do a full unboxing, and I do hope you will join me for that. But today, it's just about looking at the figure in the packaging, and one of the coolest figures, I have to say, coming out of the new crossover event with the Turtles of Grayskull line. So if you are new to my channel or first time watching, I hope you will subscribe afterwards. I hope you hit that like button, and thank you for doing that. Hit that notification bell when you upload new videos, and please share this video. Who has a passion and a love for collecting all things Masters of the Universe. Without further ado, let's take a look at Rattler. Alright, so here he is. We'll get the packaging very close right here. Of course, I was able to find him on eBay, believe it or not, and at a good price. I paid roughly about a little over $30 for him. So if you are interested in getting him, I don't remember the name of the seller, but if you just type in, Turtles of Grayskull Rattler, and look for in stock, you should be able to find him, hopefully. All right. Along with, I think the same seller has Donnie and Raphael. Still no Mechaneck yet. But let's take a look here. Of course, you have the Turtles of Grayskull, the updated now version of the Turtles of Grayskull now part of the Snake Man line. So, of course, the Snake Man line has now crossed over with the Turtles now. But some beautiful, really cool artwork right here. Got these two snakes wrapping around or coming out from the Turtles of Grayskull logo. It looks like Venom or Mutagen, or maybe both. Really cool, right? Turtles of Grayskull, and a more updated version of the Snake Man logo. Got the Cobra logo here, Rattler, the mutated Snake Man creature, right there. And one of the more cooler versions of Rattler here. I mean, look at this. I mean, beautiful, very cool, very, very detailed. Like, got this pink face sculpt, which it looks like articulated, by the way. And if you notice too, and we'll talk a little bit more about this, look at the face sculpt. Look at the new face sculpt coming out of the old one. It's like he's like being shredded, like he's like shedding his skin, like the old variants of the vintage version, and which I do have. I do have my vintage version of Rattler here. You can see the differences. Beautiful, this translucent pink, vibrant. Got some new like wrist armor. It's got some like claws coming from around him in the back right there. This beautiful blue and red paint job mixed in with the pink is beautifully done. Comes with two neck extensions now. One right here, and of course one here. One that fell right here. It looks like it came off the. Unfortunately, came off the I guess the. Tie down, I guess. But also you notice too that they also brought back the bubble, the snakeskin bubble that the Snake Man line from the Origins line, the vintage Origins line, was very famous for. So I like that. Of course you have He-Man or Master Universe and the Turtles right there, logo right there. All right, back around with some beautiful artwork right there. Well, Rattler here taking on Clamchamp, who is part of the Wave 6 wave line. Got Master Universe right there. The Turtles of Grayskull, or the Turtles line right here. All right, and the cross-sale of the other figures, part of Wave 5. And hopefully I will. Right now, I only have Rattler right now. So I'm hoping to get Donnie and Raphael soon to review with you guys on the channel. And like I said, once I do get my second variants of the same amazing figures, I do hope you will join me for a full unboxing. All right. And of course, this is the Reptile Wars right here. A little bio here. I'm going to pause that and you can read that. All right. Very cool. I got to say, one of the coolest figures to come out in this line here. And also, he does have his action call out. He does have that rattle sound. So he does keep his rattle, like his yes, he still has that feature with this version of Rattler here. But no, and also I will say, there's no weapons. There's no like snake like staff that was included with him. No weapons at all. No gun. But basically, amazing, fully articulated mouth right here. And I love it looks gorgeous but creepy at the same time because you can see his normal head sculpt in the packaging, like he's like like shredding his skin from to be mutated in this mutated variant of him. Very cool, very cool. Like I said, two extra neck extensions right here, but unfortunately no weapons, which is kind of odd. Now. I said on record here, and I'm really hyped here because how amazing and how beautiful this thing is in hand, and I cannot wait to unbox it with you guys. But I'm at two minds here because in one mind, I've said it before, like of the Snakeman line, needs to be done and moved on. We've had it for some time for over a year now. My thoughts of the Snakeman line from Origins. But I gotta say, this is a very cool version of Rattler here, and I'm hoping for more from Origins. But at the same time, I'm kind of tired of the Snakeman line. That probably makes no sense to some of you, but seeing this, in hand, the detail looks amazing. The full, the creepiness. It's not creepy, but it's very cool. At the same time, and also at the same time, we have not gotten any Snakeman in the Masterverse line as well, and I'm hoping for that. So in one mind, I'm saying, I'm kind of tired of the Snakeman line in Origins, but this brings new hope. I love this, and I hope we get more of these mutated variants of the Snakeman in the Turtles of Grayskull line. I love it. Something new, something fresh, and I like that. And the fact that we are hopefully getting at some point the Snakeman in the Masterverse line as well. So at one point I'm saying, let's give the Snakeman a rest, but now seeing this, it's I'm glad. I'm very happy that they've included the Snakeman line in the Turtles of Grayskull line. It's beautifully done, amazing. And like I said, I cannot wait for the Shredder King Hiss. I think the Foot Soldiers or Snakemen related as well, and hopefully like Cobra Khan and anybody else from the Snakeman line, like Tongue Lasher, who else, Snakeface, and so forth. Anybody that was a part of the Snakeman in the vintage line, I do hope will transfer over to the Turtles of Grayskull line in some mutated form because how well and beautifully detailed this figure is. I'm going to give it one more shot here. All right, and I do apologize for not unboxing him right now, but I'm just amazed, absolutely amazed. Very cool. The detail is amazing right there. I love it. Beautifully done, beautifully done, and I love the packaging. I love the new packaging artwork here. It's bright, it's vibrant. It's I love the green cobra right here in the middle here, and the two snakes. Kind of reminds me of the Origins Viper character with the red right here and the long neck right here. Gorgeous, very cool, and the fact that also that he does keep his action called out. His rattle action feature. Hope you can hear that. Beautifully done. And I'm trying to see, just by chance, no, unfortunately no reps. Now I can show you closely the kind of the comic book that comes with it right here. It looks like a part of like King Hiss, I think. Sorry guys. All right, beautiful. I mean, gorgeous. And in fact, they keep the snakeskin bubble here. A must-have. And when you get this in hand, you would probably hopefully agree about this. Get his normal variant next to each other here. You can see. And I'm looking forward to. I am really looking forward and getting. I'm hoping to get Mechaneck first, but Mechaneck right now I cannot find in stock on eBay, only pre-sales. But I did see Donnie and Raphael up in stock on eBay, and a decent price. It believe it or not, it's a good price. It's like $24.99 plus shipping and handling. Came out to like $35. which to me is good. It's amazing, absolutely amazing in my opinion. Where sometimes you find these figures in stock for like $59.95, like $65 or so. So you're paying like a little over, just about, I guess depending on where you live, just a little over retail price. To me, that's amazing. That's amazing. So please check out eBay. If you are interested in looking for these figures here, look for, of course, Turtles of Grayskull Wave 5, Rattler, and just go down, and then when you find one in stock, hopefully you can find one at a great price, because he is a must, an absolute must, and I love it. All right. Of course, we run down, and it's, like any vintage, like Origins figures. I'm kind of curious. You can pop. I'm kind of curious once we do unbox him. All right. When we have to, obviously, the pink head here pops off to, to add the neck extensions inside the original mouth or head sculpt of Rattler. But I'm kind of curious about that head sculpt as well. The original head sculpt on this figure, that can be removed as well. So I'm kind of curious about that. So let me know in the comments below your thoughts and feelings about this particular Rattler. Will you be picking him up in your collection? I hope so. I do hope to add him to your collection. Also, just to let you know that some more old, figures have been up for pre-order now on places like Big Bag Toy Store and probably Entertainment Earth. Figures like the cartoon collection version of Faker, Catra, and Leech. For the next wave of the cartoon collection for the She-Ra 40th anniversary is now up for pre-order and those websites. So if you need them to add to your collection, please, go ahead and please. I hope you will pre-order them for your amazing collection. Also, new Eternia Randor, King Randor from Masterverse. Another new Eternia Beastman. I don't know how I feel about that. The original first version variant of Masterverse new Eternia Beastman. This variant right here looks, that amazing version. There's another one coming out, part of that wave. Much different. It's not different, but it's a very cool, unique style of Beastman, and also new Eternia Roboto. And it looks like a more, kind of that vintage version with the gears. I think when you turn the body, hopefully the gears will move. It looks like it does. So go check them out. They're now up for pre-order for places like Big Bag Toy Store, Entertainment Earth. So they're up for pre-order. So please, I hope you add them to your amazing collection. All right. But there you go, guys. A quick look at Rattler here. Once again, once I do get my second version of him, and what's funny is when I pre-ordered and when I got him off of eBay, I'm like, until I get him in hand, this is too good to be true, because some places, I think it's this place I got this from California. Some places do get these figures in earlier than other states and stuff like that. And so I was like, I'm gonna get this one right now and see, because sometimes and obviously I hope this is not a fake. This looks pretty real to me. Sometimes you get fakes, but this right here, I don't think it's a fake. I am very surprised of how early, of this wave here. So hopefully, like I said, I hope you will get this amazing figure for your collection. Amazing. Absolutely. The detail is incredible. Do one more shot of this figure here before we end the video here. Like I said, I love the fact that the old head sculpt is like right. I'm sure I get the better angle here. You can see the old head sculpt right there. And this new head sculpt is like coming out of the old body. It's like it's shedding its skin. The detail, the pink, and you can see the same type of like golden body right here from the original. A dark, a much more different take, with the blue and red here, where this one has the red and blue and yellow here with this variant here. Bummed out that there's no staff included with him. That's okay. I love the fact that you have more of the neck extension as well with this Rattler here. So amazing, absolutely amazing. A must-have, like I said, for any collector of the Turtles. And this gives me hope. I will say that, being somewhat, like I said, tiresome in a way of the Snakeman line that overtook the Origins line, the vintage line. When it came out back in 2023, this gives me some hope, and I hope that you know, if this line continues with the Snake Man line, I hope it comes with these very cool like variants of the Snake Man, mutated Snake Man, to add to the collection. And when we hopefully when we get that Snake Man layer and the Serpent's layer, you know, that'd be I mean, it's great. You know, it'd be cool to have all these variants of the Snake Man around the Serpent's lair. But let me know in the comments below, you know, your thoughts and feelings, you know, of this figure here, of this amazing variant. To me, it's, you know, I think it's pretty cool of Rattler here. All right. I'd like to take time now, of course, to thank my subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. It's been a lot of fun to at least review this amazing figure in the collection. Hopefully, like I said, once I do get my second one, I hope you will come back and join me to do a full unboxing, which you know, for the most part, I try to keep my promises. And I've still kept up my promises when I do get a new figure, or at least a second figure to unbox with you guys. So I hope you guys would join me for that. Of course, don't forget to hit that notification bell when you upload new videos. And tomorrow, we're going to head back and do just a spotlight, just a revisit, a relook at the Masters of the WWE Universe. I'm going to pick some random figures. And just to do a real, like, just a relook at these amazing figures. The figures that line that, in a way, started off the Origins line. This line right here was, and I've said this before in this line, in my original reviews, this line paved the way to the Vintage Origins line, to the Cartoon Collection, to the Turtles of Grayskull, and now the Thundercats line too. This line kind of paved the way in a way. Even the Superstars line we have looked on the channel. This line was the godfather, you know, of the Origins line, and so I do hope you join me for that. And I'm gonna pick, like I said, pick some random figures to look at with you guys, to revisit, and hopefully have some fun. All right. So hope everybody has a great Thursday, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Take care, everybody, and have a good one.